Hello, let me quickly show you this property management system and how it can help you keep track of your properties, tenants and rent payments, and even outstanding balances. Right here on the dashboard, you can immediately see the information that matters most. You can see the total number of properties, total tenants, expected rent, rent collected, and outstanding rent. You can also see how many tenants have paid, those that made part payment, those that still have unpaid rent. This gives you a quick overview of what's happening without going through multiple records. Further down, you can also see payment summaries and landlord property summaries to help you understand performance at a glance. Now, let's look at the property register. This is where all your properties are stored. You can keep details such as the property name, the location, the landlord, the number of units, property type, and the current status, whether there is still tenants in the property or not. Next is the tenant database. Let's look at the tenant database. The tenant database is where all tenant records are organized. You can see which property a tenant occupies, their contact details, rent amount, the tenancy period, rent due date, and current status. One useful feature here is the rent due alert. Now, this helps you know when a tenant's rent is approaching. And also, this system can also send automatic messages to the tenants without you even sending it manually. You can send it automatically. Let's look at the rent payment tracker. Every rent payment is recorded here. Remember, you are not the one recording it. There is a way to record it in few seconds. You can easily see the rent expected, the amount paid, outstanding balance, the payment status, the receipt status, and the follow-up dates. The follow-up, you are not the one that is doing it. The system is doing the follow-up automatically. So at any time, you know exactly who has paid and who still owes rent. Speaking of outstanding rent, this sheet now is talking about the outstanding rent watch list. Instead of searching through records, this sheet automatically shows tenants with outstanding balances, their contact details, and how much they owe, and also when follow-up is required. Now let's look at the receipt generator. Once a payment is confirmed, you can simply enter the payment ID here, copy the payment ID from the payment sheet, and just put it here. The system will automatically pull the payment information and generate a professional receipt. You can customize the receipt here so it will have your business logo and the others. Now the receipt can then be sent directly to the tenant. Now this system also includes an automation. When rent is paid, a receipt can be generated immediately. And also when a tenancy is approaching expiration. Now rent renewal reminders can be sent 3 months, 2 months, and 1 month, or even after the rent has finally expired. You can also send reminder. Mind you, are not the one sending it. The system does it automatically. You just have to set it. You can send the reminder through WhatsApp or through email. You can send to the person 3 months, 1 month, or 2 weeks, or even after the rent has expired. Now the goal is simple: to help you stay organized, track rent payment easily, follow up outstanding balances, and always know what is happening across your properties. If you like a customized version that will fit in your business and the type of properties, feel free to reach out. You can call the number on the screen so that we can sit down and actually develop a system for you. It is so simple. You just need to key in few details. All those sheets, they populate automatically. So if you need a system like this, just call the number on the screen, or you can send message, or you can send WhatsApp. We'll contact you. Thank you.